Practice the most updated Microsoft MB-800 real questions to test yourself. 1. A company is using Dynamics 365 Business Central. The finance manager creates a new general ledger (GL) account. You need to configure the system to include the GL account in the General Journal reconciliation window. What should you do? A. Enable the reconciliation account field in the GA account card. B. Enable the direct posting field in the GL account card. C. Add this GL account to the bank account posting group. D. Create a new payment reconciliation journal. Answer: A. 2. You need to set up payment terms for buying groups. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Set up payment terms with a value of CM plus 2OD for the due date calculation. B. Assign the payment terms to the customer price group. C. Assign the payment terms to the customer. D. Assign the payment terms to the customer posting group. E. Set up payment terms with a value of D20 for the due date calculation. Answer: AC. 3. You are implementing Dynamics 365 Business Central for a company. The accounting manager provides you the chart of accounts. You are setting up the posting groups for the accounting department. You must use a standard costing method and post any differences between actual purchase costs and the standard cost. You need to set up a general ledger account for posting any differences in costs. What should you use? A. General business posting groups. B. General posting setup. C. Vendor posting groups. D. Inventory posting groups. Answer: B. 4. A customer is using Dynamics 365 Business Central. The customer is currently sending quotes and invoices using postal services. The customer wants to begin sending quotes and invoices by email directly from Business Central. You need to configure outbound email. What are two possible ways to achieve the goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Configure SMTP mail setup options. B. Run the Set Up Your Business inbox in Outlook Assisted Setup tool. C. Run the Set Up Email Logging Assisted Setup tool. D. Run the Email Setup Assisted Setup tool. Answer: AD. 5. You are implementing Dynamics 365 Business Central. You are unable to view some expected functionality in the system. You need to demonstrate the use of different options for assigning profiles to users. In which 3 places can you assign profiles to users? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Assign a user group to the user. Assign the profile to the user group. B. Assign a profile on the user personalization page. C. Assign the profile on the user card. D. Accept the default profile. E. Add the user to the profile card. Answer: Abed. 6. You are implementing Dynamics 365 Business Central online. Users must be added to Business Central for the first time. You need to add the users. Which action should you use? A. Get new users from Office 365. B. Create a new entry on the user setup page. C. Update users from Office 365. D. Import user groups. Answer. A. 7. An accounting manager provides you with a chart of accounts. The accounting manager wants you to configure the general posting setup. You need to complete the configuration as efficiently as possible. What are 3 ways to complete the configuration? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Use the copy action to create a new general posting setup card. B. Import a configuration package that contains the general posting setup. C. Use the Suggest Accounts action to create all possible posting setup combinations. D. Create a new general posting setup card, and then use the Suggest Accounts action. E. Create a new general posting setup card, and then use the Copy action. Answer. B, D, E. 8. You are implementing Dynamics 365 Business Central for a customer. The customer wants to manually add many similar items. You need to help the customer create copies of existing items. Which 3 actions must be performed? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. On the Setup Customer, Vendor, Item Templates page, create a new item template. B. Open an existing item, and then click the Save as Template action on the item card. C. On the Setup Customer, Vendor, Item Templates page, edit the information in the newly created item template. D. On the Configuration Templates page, create a new template for item table. E. Create a new item, and then select the new template name to copy the information to the item. Answer. B, C, E. 9. You need to configure Dynamics 365 Business Central to allow for receipt of quantities of items greater than the quantity ordered. What are 2 possible ways to achieve the goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Configure a maximum order quantity for the item. B. Configure a maximum inventory level for the item. C. Set up and select an over-receipt code in the item record. D. Set up and select an over-receipt code in the vendor record. Answer. C, D. 10. A customer has premium licenses for Dynamics 365 Business Central. You need to make all actions and fields for the manufacturing and service modules available to users. What should you do? A. Assign users to the D365 Bus Full Access User Group. B. Select the Premium option in the Experience field on the company information page. C. Assign super permission sets to users. D. Assign users to the D365 Bus Premium User Group. E. Select the Custom option for the Company Badge field on the company information page. Answer: B.